Chris Moses here with Gospel Progressions University. This tutorial here is on the song by Lamar Campbell, "A Spirit of Praise." It's More Than Anything. It's in the key of A flat. And it starts out very simple. All right, we have our intro, and then we have the verse, and then there's I guess a pre-chorus or a chorus, and then we have the bridge, like 3 or 4 sections. And this song, I love it because it demonstrates a lot of the principles that I teach here on the channel. So let's take a listen to it, see what this sounds like, and we'll break it down simple. And I'm going to show you the principles of the song. The entire song is broken down on the website at Song Tutorials Academy. I will leave the link in the description, but I'm going to show you some of the principles, the basic principles of the first part of the song. Let's take a listen to it. So beginning, this is basically, so you have G, A flat, B flat, C, and then D flat. That's just simple version of this song, okay? And it starts out, if you want to say numbers, you look at the whole scale of A flat. We start off on the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? And back to 1. And so now how this would work is that we would say we're starting at 7. So it's going to be Lord I 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So simply, the chords really are just going to be E flat, all right, and then A flat, B flat minor 7, or B flat minor, right, A flat over C, and D flat. That's your basic look at the chords. I'm not playing it in any the proper inversions, okay? But what you want to do now, you have the time, you have your root notes. So now let's look at the melody. So what they're doing is they start low and then they go up high. And I'll change it up a bit now. So right, or rather this. You can do here, rather here. All right, so same things, but you're just paying attention to your melody, right? So now, if you look at what I just did there, I've shown this a lot in this channel, and a lot of times you get this interesting textures and colors because everything is diatonic to that particular scale for this song, right? All right, meaning that we're not doing anything fancy. We're not leaving the key of A flat. It's just the notes that belong to A flat major. But then you have this chord here now. It's a real beautiful, from a beautiful scale called the Lydian scale. Love this scale because there's so much that you can do with it. You get textures and colors like this. And the entire scale would be D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. So it's like A flat, but you're just starting on D flat. So, but if you make the root tone D flat and we play it, this sound over, this is what we get. Again, so we can look at it again. So because everything is very diatonic, it sounds really nice in that. So now to get the rest of the song, check out Song Tutorials Academy at gospelprogressives.com. I will leave the link in the description. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.